Hello and welcome to this short video on using the Mighty Mouse wheel. In this video you'll learn 4 tips to help you work smarter with your mouse. Tip number 1, scrolling with the mouse. All you need to do is move your mouse wheel backwards and forwards to scroll up and down the page. And you can use this feature in many programs, not just the internet, but also programs like Microsoft Word, Excel and many others. The second tip is zooming with your mouse. This time we're going to hold the control key down, which is in the bottom left-hand corner on your keyboard. And again, use the mouse wheel, scroll backwards and you zoom out, and scroll forwards and you zoom in. Great for those times when you've got some small text to read or you've left your glasses at home. This function can also be used with many different programs, including the internet and Microsoft applications. We can also use the mouse wheel to browse the internet. So I'm going to search for mouse tips. So I'm typing mouse tips in the address bar, and here's my results. So there's a number of results here, and I may want to look at quite a few of them. So normally what most people do is they would click on the link. Here's my website, have a look at that. No, that's not what I want. Use my back button to go back. Scroll down a little bit longer. Click on the link. No, that's not what I want, so go back again and so on. So an easy way to do that is, instead of clicking on the link with your left mouse button, we're going to click on the link with your mouse wheel. So when you click on the link, it actually opens in a new tab. And I'm going to just keep browsing, see if there's any other links I want to open. Yes, I might like that one as well. Again, click on it with my mouse wheel, and a new tab opens again, and so on. So you can put as many tabs up there as you want, and then go and have a look at them all. And when you find the one that's most suitable, it's just sitting up here, very easy to access. Tip number 4, we can also close the tabs using the mouse wheel. So all you do is point to the tab you want to close and click on the mouse wheel. And again, point to the tab you want to close and click on the mouse wheel. I hope you enjoyed these tips. Please contact us if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.